You ready, Abe? Do you want Unky to cast the first one out for you and show you how it's done again? This is your first time using your new rod, isn't it? All right. So here's how it works. You want to make sure this is on tight. Okay. And you just push this button. Okay. And then you pull it back and you just let it go. See what happens when it's in the water, Ava? See the little spoons? Do you see where the hook is? So when you reel, look, see the little spinners moving? That's what attracts the fish. Look, do you see the fish right there? Those fingernails. There you go. Yep. And then just reel it. You want to go a little faster than that? There you go. Keep going. It's a good sized fish. Yeah, that's all right. Just keep your rod tip up like this. That's a good sized fish, Ava. So you want to just keep the pressure on him.
It's not going down.
No, you're going the wrong way. Go that way, forward. There you go. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna have to help you in a sec, bro. We got bigger fish. Oh my gosh, that's a good sized fish, Ava. Yeah, so just keep your rod tip up. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's good, Dave. Look, Eva. That's a big fish. Oh my goodness. Do you want to touch him? When I take the hook out, I'm going to put him right back in the water. Do you want to get a picture with Nana too? Yep, touch it. That's a big fish. Here. Okay, look at Nana. There we go. Look. There he goes. Slowly. He's just going to get his energy back and then he'll be ready to be caught again probably. Hey. Oh, that's a good cast, Ava. Excellent. Okay. There you go. Uh-oh. And there goes the fishing rod. You want to try Unky's? Yeah? She's got the ugly stick from Unky.